Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Ultimate Member plugin in WordPress. First, install the Ultimate Member plugin directly from your WordPress dashboard. After installation, activate it to begin configuring your membership site. You will then find a new Ultimate Member menu in your admin panel. This is your central hub for all plugin settings and features. We will explore how to set up your initial member pages and essential configurations to get started quickly, ensuring a smooth setup process. Next, let's customize user roles and forms. Ultimate Member allows you to create unlimited custom user roles, defining various membership levels with unique permissions. Utilize the intuitive drag-and-drop builder to design personalized registration, login, and profile forms. You can assign specific forms to each custom user role, ensuring a tailored experience for every member. This flexibility helps manage diverse user groups effectively, providing a robust framework for your community. Now, let's talk about content restriction. Ultimate Member provides powerful tools to protect your valuable content. You can easily restrict access to specific pages, posts, and even custom post types. Set detailed rules based on user roles or membership status, ensuring only authorized members can view premium content. For unauthorized users, you can display custom messages or redirect them to a login page, maintaining a secure and exclusive environment. Finally, let's explore member directories and profiles. Ultimate Member enables you to create engaging member directories, showcasing your community members in an organized way. Customize user profile pages extensively with various fields, tabs, and layouts to fit your brand. Members can easily update their own profile information, fostering a dynamic and interactive community. This feature enhances user engagement and provides a personalized experience for everyone.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.